give her some of this. Hi guys, so today my baby have the hiccup, and I am going to give her some of this. So it's gripe water. Yeah, you know mommy coming with the remedy. See your face? You just know mommy coming with something to help you feel better. Okay, let's go. Oh, you want to see how I give her? That's how I give her. That is how I give her. And as you can see, let me put the camera a little closer for you. She did not leak any out, not even a drip. She was one boot. So what I do when I do that with the spoon, when I put it in one time, I leave the spoon there. Rest it right there on her tongue. Pull it a little back, give her tongue, give her space to swallow. You know, sometimes they just have it in their mouth for a little bit. You allow her to. So once the spoon is right there at the mouth, if she spit it back up, the spoon hold it, and then she just swallow it. So nothing wastes. And that's actually the correct way to give your children a medication. So this is what I use, and this is for colic, gas, upset stomach, and hiccup. Alright, it's very good. I have no problem with it. It just smooth the digestive system, and away with discomfort, right? So as you can see, she no longer have the hiccup. So hooray! Look at her smiling. Hooray! So she no longer. So that is how I stop the hiccup for little one. So this, you can give her this at her age. She's just 3 weeks old, so she would get like half teaspoon 4 times. You can give her 4 times within 24 hours. So like how I give her this now, I normally see that I only give her 1 per day. If she catch a hiccup later, I just allow that one to just, you know, just do its course. And how they catch hiccup is by you putting them down too quickly, like you were burping them and then they burp, and then you just hold them like this to catch hiccup. So when you burp them, hold them up for a little more, give them another 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes up there with their back straight before you put them back in your comfortable position. All right, so there you have it. She no longer has the hiccup, right? Say bye. And as always guys, please remember to subscribe to our channel. Ooh, that's my girl.